Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent your Facebook profile from being indexed and appearing in search engine search results. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon in the top right corner of Facebook. Just left click on that and then select Settings and Privacy. Select the Settings gear button here. On the left side, scroll down underneath Audience and Visibility, and you want to select how people find and contact you. Where it says on the right side, if you scroll down, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? When this setting is on, search engines may link to your profile in their results. When the setting is off, search engines will stop linking to your profile, but this may take some time. Your profile can still be found on Facebook if people search for your name. Turn this on or off depending on your preference, and that's pretty much all you have to do. If you want to disable that and you want to hide your results from Google, just go ahead and toggle that to the off position, and then the changes should be saved automatically. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.